Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back class 7th in your online mathematics class. Today I have taken some more questions from the same exercise which we have done in previous class, that is exercise 27b. This is question number 7. Using the identity of square of a binomial, evaluate the following. So here you can see, here we have a number 501 whole square. So how we can write this? We can write 501 like this: 500 plus 1 and whole square. You can write this 500 like this, right? Now see, this is A and this is B. So we can use the identity A square plus B square, A plus B whole square. So here A is 500 and B is 1. So using identity A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So we write here 500 plus 1 whole square is equals to A square plus B square, means 2 into 500 into 1 plus 2AB, and then B square means 500 square. Oh sorry, 1. B is 1 square. So here we get 25 this much, and here we get 2 5s are 10 this much, and here we get 1. So on adding these you get 251001. Next is 999 whole square. So how we can write this number? See, we can write it in two ways. We can write it like this also: 900 plus 9 whole square. Sorry, 99 whole. We can write this like this also. We can write 999 like 900 plus 99 whole square. Or you can write it like 1000 minus 1. You also get 999, right? So we can write this number in both the ways. So it is up to you that which we are choosing to calculate. So I prefer to calculate this one. Why? Because it is easy to calculate this 1001 in comparison to this, right? You can choose any one of them to calculate, right? But I choose the easiest one, this one, easier one. So I'm going to use this one. So here we can write 1000 minus 1 whole square. So here we get A is equals to 1000 and B is equals to 1. And here you can see that this identity is A minus B whole square. So using identity A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So here we get 1000 minus 1 whole square, 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 1 plus B square. So here we get 6 zeros, then 2000, then 1. So on calculating this you will get 998001. Now see this one, 698 whole square. So we can write it like 600 plus 98 whole square, and we can write it like 700 minus 2 whole square. So which one you choose to calculate? I'll choose this one because it is easier to calculate, right? So 700 minus 2 whole square. So here we get A is equals to 700 and B is equals to 2. So using identity A minus B whole square, A square minus 2AB plus B square. So here we get 700 minus 2 whole square, that is 700 square minus 2 into 700 into 2 plus 2 square. Now here we get 49 and 4 zeros, and here we get 2 sevens are 14, 14 twos are 20, 800 here we get, and 2 twos are 4, So here you will get 487204. Now come to exercise 27C. Question number 1. Find the following products. This is 1. B minus A and B plus A. So here which identity we use? We use the identity A minus B. A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B. Here you can see that the value of A here, B minus A. Here the value of A is B and value of B is A. So when we use this identity, that is A square minus B square, so we can write it like B square minus A square. See, the value of A is B, right? And A plus B, A minus B, we have A square minus B square. So here we have A minus B, A plus B. So here A is B, that means B square minus A square. See this one. 2 by 5 AB minus C, 2 by 5 AB plus C. So when you compare it with the identity A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. See, when you compare this, what you get? You get the value A 2 by 5 AB and the value of B C. See, the value of B is C. So we are going to use this identity. So A minus B, A plus B is equals to A square minus B square. So we have A minus B, A plus B. We put the value here. So when you put it here, 2 upon 5 AB minus C, 2 upon 5 AB plus C is equals to what? A square minus B square. So A, we have A 2 upon 5 AB square minus C. B is C. So minus C square. So here we get 4 upon 25 A square B square minus C square. Clear? When you compare this from this identity, you will get the value of A and B. Now we put these values here in this identity, so you get the answer. This here we have to use the identity. See, these identities we can use in both the ways. We can use it like this also, A square minus B square is equals to A plus B, A minus B, and we can use it like A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. We can use it in both the ways. So now here again you can see that this is A plus B and this is A minus B, right? So here you get, see, compare it, this is A plus B and this is A minus B, right? See, so the value of A here is A and the value of B here is X, right? So we use this identity here. So here we are going to do directly. So A plus X, A minus X means A square minus B square. So A square minus B square, B is X. We get this. And then we copy down this A square plus X square. Now again you can see that this is A minus B and this is A plus B. So the value of A here is A square and B here is X square. And our identity is A square minus B square. So A square minus B square. What is our identity? Our identity is A square minus B square. So the value of A here is A square and the value of B here is X square, right? So A square to the power 2 minus X square to the power 2 because the value of B here is X square. So this is our required answer. Question, this is x cube minus 1 upon x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So here you can see that this is A minus B and A plus B. See, this is A minus B and A plus B. So the value of A here is x cube and the value of B here is 1 upon x cube. So we use this identity a square minus b square. So here in place of a we put the value x cube, right? So what we get here, x cube, this is the value of a, and square, so here we put the square. Then minus the value of b, here we going to put the value of b, that is 1 upon x cube. So the value of b is 1 upon x cube and square, like this. And we can copy down this one here, x to the power 6 plus 1 upon x to the power 6. Now see, 3 2s are 6 minus 3 2s are 6. So we get here. Now again you can see that this is a minus b and this is a plus b, right? So here the value of a here is x to the power 6 and the value of b here is 1 upon x to the power 6. So we use the identity a square minus b square. So the value of a is x to the power 6. So we write x to the power 6 and then power 2. Again the value of b is 1 upon x to the power 6 and the power 2. So here you get x to the power 12 minus 1 upon x to the power 12. Let's see this one. Using the identities for difference of two squares, find the values of. Here we have 53 multiplied by 47. So here we can write this 53 like 50 plus 3 and 47 like 50 minus 3. And here we have multiplication in between, right? Now you can see that this is a plus b and this is a minus b. So here the value of a is 50 and the value of b is 3. So using identity, a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. So 50 plus 3, 50 minus 3 is equals to a square minus b square. So here we get 25, 100 minus 9, which is equals to 2491. Let's see this one. 169 whole square minus 131 whole square. See, this is like a square minus b square, right? This is like a square minus b square. So what is the value of a here is? The value of a here is 169 and the value of b here is 131 when you compare this. So here we use a square using identity a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So the value of a is 169 square minus 131 square is equals to 169 plus 131, 169 minus 131. So when you add these two numbers here, you get 300 and here you get 38. So you will get the answer 11400. This is question number 4. Find the value of x if 24x is equals to 99 square minus 87 square. So here you can see this is a square minus b square. So we expand this by using the identity a square minus b square. And the value of a here is 99 and the value of b here is 87. So 24x is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So here on adding 98 and 87 you get 186 and here is multiply, and on subtracting here you get 12. And the value of x from here you will get 186 upon multiply by 12 divided by 24. So when you reduce this you will get the value of x 93. Now this is simplify. Now see here 23.71 multiplied by 23.71. So here you can write it like this is in multiplication, so you can write it like this also. Then minus 16.29, you can write it like this, right? Then divided by 0.742. Now on comparison, you can see that this is a square minus b square. So here you get the value of a 23.71 and the value of b 16.29. So we'll use the identity a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b means 23.71 plus 16.29, and a minus b 23.71 minus 16.29 divided by 0.742. Now add these two numbers. On adding here, you will get 40. Multiply, and on subtracting here, you will get the answer 7.42 divided by 0.742. Now remove the decimals. On removing the decimal here, so we'll get this. Now 20 cancel out. 741 one times. So here 40 multiplied by 10. Your answer is 400.